Are you interested in selling your booth?
Not interested in selling them all.
Ask them to take everything. I'm wondering.
Can I see your check?
Please vote by number for your 3 favorite displays. I guess this is Mineralogy Society stuff that they bring around and set up. This is nice, right? Actually, this rock is nice. This is garnet and hornblende. This is a nice Herkimer diamond. It's more like a clunker. This is nice though. This is a nice collection. Mineralogists love their greens. This is nice. There's a slab of clinicore back there, which is really nice. That's Russian stuff. This is nice stuff in here, actually. You can actually find this yourself washing up on beaches, so it's not that hard. And then the leaf fossil plates are like pretty common. This is pretty decent collection in here. This azurite from Namibia, that's a really nice rock. I mean, I also love azurite, so that right there, barite on sphalerite. The one with the little flowers. Yeah, that one. And then that's really nice. That calcite, phantom calcite, is beautiful. This is fun, galena or hematite. Typically with galena, if you were going to do this and like you were like kind of novice, what you're looking for really is going to be the sheen is really what's going to tell us more. A galena typically is going to, like for example, Bulgaria mineral number 20 is galena. You could tell because it's super shiny, like that silvery kind of looking color, where hematite is going to be a little bit of a darker kind of color. Like I can also see right away 12 is going to be galena. Like 13 is galena, but there's also chalcopyrite there with quartz. Pretty easy to tell. Like you can see, like the hematite's going to be a darker color. This is just a Pennsylvania mineral collection here, which is pretty cool. Just various minerals collected throughout Pennsylvania, which is nice because we're in Pennsylvania. The best was the galena, which was 8, and then 6, which was shades of green, was nice. And case number 7 is my 3rd, which is the pop pretty rock. All right, well, we're here at the first booth. So this has got a $300 price tag on it. Really nice rock, actually. This is a lemon quartz included rock. Here it just says quartz with inclusions. I'm sure there's dumortierite inside of this. It's $150 after the 50% off. So I really want to buy stuff here. I want to support. Bobby, can I ask you a question real quick?
Of course you can.
Are you interested in selling your booth by chance?
Maybe.
You want to figure out a price?
I could.
Would you?
Sure, I could, of course.
Okay. Hello. How are you, sir? This is everything?
Yeah.
And what's your price?
For everything?
Yeah.
Well, you'd have to let me think about that for a minute.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Which ones are you looking at?
Everything.
Like these 2? Box of big ones and a box of small ones?
We're talking about
Buying all of it.
all of it.
Yeah, all of it.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good.
I would like to buy a lot of stuff from you.
Okay.
Is this you all the way to the end?
Yeah.
What do you want for your whole table? Ballpark it. Yeah.
Ballpark's about 30.
I think it's a little bit out of my range, but I've heard a lot about you, Bobby. It's really nice to meet you. You have beautiful stuff, and
Thank you.
you're an OG.
I always get more minerals in all the time because I'm always buying collections.
Yeah.
40 retail on the table. I didn't add all those up, but I just did $100 a flat. Make a long story short, if you really wanted everything, I would take 25.
Okay, that's what I thought you were going to say. I think it's not the right price for me, but I thank you for taking time, Steve. God bless you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
If you're looking for a buy, it's probably best, for us to get together, outside the show. And I have flats of them at home, put together a wholesale parcel. Because if I sell them all to you now, then, I'm not going to have anything, to sell for the rest of the shows.
Well, you're here to sell all the stuff.
Yes, but not interested in selling them all.
Okay. Why don't you give me your card and we'll contact you after the show then.
I didn't bring a card.
Great.
But, yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
If you can't, you can't. If you can.
Wait. Oh, I don't know. I have no idea what I have. I mean,
Think about it. I'd like to offer you $4,200 for your whole table.
but
That's close.
I don't take credit cards.
I have a check. I can give you a check.
Does any of the other dealers know you?
Oh yeah. You see Rich over there? You know Rich?
Oh yeah.
You can ask Rich. Come on, let's go walk over. Can I interrupt you for 1 second real quick? He's worried about the $4,000 check.
I will personally guarantee his check. Okay.
Thanks, Rich.
That's pretty
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm wondering.
Can I see your check? What your check looks like? I mean, it has your name printed on it.
It has my company name on it. Yeah. How about this? How about I just go through? We take what we want, and and if you have a card, I'd like to contact you, and I can bring cash, because then you trust cash.
Oh yeah.
If you'd like, if you'd like. If you don't like, it's totally okay. But I do this with dealers all the time.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Let's just do that. Let's just pick the stuff. Okay. Oh wow. Nobody's gonna know what that is though. Unfortunately, that's dope. You got another box for me, sir?
Yeah. Oh, wait a second. I think. Oh, I think there's.
That's his box.
Yeah.
We're picking from your box.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh, okay. Well, then, what else do you? Is there anything else you have out? That,
I have no. I've been handing them to you, so I don't know what you've been doing with him.
oh no, I've been. Putting
Okay,
it down.
then good. Then we're good. Thank you so much, sir. I hear you just going on and on. I have a couple $100 cash. I'll try to just use the cash I have, okay?
Okay, that's great.
If it's not really simple and it's not smooth, don't do it. Well, it's harder to do than I thought. Okay, let's just say that you're coming to a mineral show, okay, and you want to figure out like what's going on at a booth, and you're like, I don't really know 99% of what's at this booth. Well, here's the trick. You find a material that you do know, that you are familiar with, or something that you're the most familiar with, and then you look at the price of that item. If the price of the item that you are familiar with is absolutely ridiculous, is that a crystal chode? Look at that crystal wiener. So then you find an item that you are familiar with and you look at the price on that item. If the price on the item that you do know is really, really high, you can just walk away from the booth. Look at this. That's what stopped me. It's pretty obvious. It's green and it looks like a dick. Is this kid selling rocks right now? That kid's super cute. Is this your booth? What? You are super. Okay, I'm gonna buy something from this kid.
She's a good herper. Yeah.
All right, let me look and see what I want to put together, and then I'll let you know.
Dinosaur footprint from New Jersey. All classic museum quality granite. New Jersey as well.
Where's your table end?
3 tables over here. The turquoise.
1, 2, 3.
Correct. The
Okay.
What is the last one?
Yoda. Okay. Yoda. I'll take that. Let's get that. Give me this. That's interesting. Bornite from Kazakhstan? That's crazy. I'll take that. Is there more, or you have more stuff?
Underneath, I may have another box with larger pieces of those underneath the table.
Okay, no, I'm saying like this is it. What do you have out?
Yes.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
Yes.
Quick question. What's the price to take all your stuff? Not the case of jewelry. I don't want the rings, but to take all your stuff. What do you want?
Before you do that,
I
I'm
can
taking
give you
a few.
60% of the price market.
What's the rough number? What's the number?
Let me scan it very quick. $4,000. Everything on it, include whatever is underneath the table. And
Okay.
I'm not joking. Underneath the table, beside one piece,
Pack it up.
One box I'm gonna pull on the side
Pack it up.
because it's
That's the number I was thinking.
Esperite
Pack it up.
box on it. I pulled that box on.
I trust you.
The rest,
You're a good man.
okay.
You're a good man.
deal.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
That's literally the number I was thinking. 4,000. Yep. Maybe one of the first, I've been doing this 20 years. This might be one of the first times ever in my 20 years of doing this that someone gave me the real price for something and that knew the real price for something. Good? You can go home now. It's like so amazing that like he knew the right price, gave me the right price. There was no negotiation. I just shook his hand right there because his number was precise. Are you leaving?
Yes, I will
Here, go have dinner on me, please. For you and your family, have dinner.
Serious?
Yeah,
Thank you.
have dinner on me.
Yeah, because I go home. Pack
Yeah, before you go home, have dinner on me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Chris, you're a good man. Thank you very much. That was interesting. We had bought one guy's whole booth out, which was very quick and easy. We bought these 6 flats, which took more time than the buyout of the booth did. And really, that guy's booth, I just saw that big prenite and I just said, you know what, this feels good. And I was gonna buy that guy's booth too. He just didn't trust the check. Did you park on the grass, you bastard?